Morning students, welcome back to the mathematics online classes of class 2 from Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we will study about chapter unit number 11, money. Okay, we need money to buy things. So students, when we want to buy something, so we need money. Money is used both in the form of coins and notes in our country. In our country, we use coins as well as notes. So there are two types of money, two types in our country, notes and coins. The different coins are in use are 50 paisa coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin. Okay, let's revise again. 50 paisa coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupees coin. Okay, the different notes in use are, there are so many notes we have to use. 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, that is the new and that is the old one. 100 rupees note, that is the old one. 200 rupees note and 500 rupees note. So these are the notes. In short, we write rupees as RE and RS. Okay, and the symbol for rupees is this one. Okay, the short form RE or RS and the symbol of rupees is R in Hindi. Rama went to a stationery shop with her mother to purchase following items. Eraser. Look here, that is an eraser. Its cost is rupees 3. So we have to match 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 3 rupees coin. So we have to match 3 rupees with 3 1 rupee coins. Our notebook, that its cost is rupees 55. Let's count the money. 20 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 50 and plus 5, 55. So we have to match rupees 55. Crayons, cost is rupees 15. 1 10 rupee coin, 1 5 rupee note. 10 plus 5, 15. So we have to match with it. Next one is a pen which cost is 20. 4 5 rupees coin. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 4 5s are 20. So we have to match with it. Colored pencil cost is 40 rupees. 20 rupees note plus 10 rupee coin. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. 35 plus 5, 40. So we have to match with it. Find the value of each collection of notes and coins. So we have to count all these coins and all these notes. Look here, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. Plus 2, 37. Plus 2, 39. So we have to write here rupees 39. Come to the next, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. Plus 5, 30. Plus 2, 32. we have to write here 32. 50, 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 5, 75 plus 1, 76. 200 plus 50, 250 plus 10, 260. So we have to write here rupees 260. Come to the next. Conversion of money. Conversion of rupees into paise. So we know that 1 rupees is equals to 100 paise. So 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. To convert rupees into paise, we add to the right here rupees 7 and 75 paise is equals to 7 rupees is equal to 700 paise, and we have 2 paise plus paise, so 775 paise. To conversion of paise into rupees, so 500 paise is equals to 5 rupees. Convert rupees into paise. 7 rupees, 7 multiplied by 100, 700 paise. 2, 200 paise. Rupees 6, 600 paise. Rupees 9, 900 paise. Convert into paise. So you have to write here rupees and paise both. So firstly we have to convert rupees into paise. 5 rupees is equal to 500 paise. 500 plus 60, 560 paise. Let's do one example. 9 rupees. So 9 rupees is equal to 900 paise. So we have to 50 paise plus 900 paise. So we have 950 paise. Come to the next. ₹8 and 40 paise. So 8 rupees is equals to 800 paise. 800 plus 40. So 840 paise. To convert into paise, firstly we have to convert the rupees into paise. If any paise is already given, so we have to add both paisas. Okay. For example, 400 plus 95, 495 paise. Convert paise into rupees. When we have to convert into rupees, so 200 paisa is equal to we have to look here the 100 place. So the digit of 100 place is our rupees. So the 100 place is 2. 100 place is 4. 100 place is 8. So in this case rupees 2. In this rupees 4. And in this question rupees 8. Convert into rupees and paise. 255 paise. So when we have to given the paise, so 100 place is rupees and the remaining part is paise. So the 100 place is 2, so 2 rupees, and the remaining part 55 paise. The 100 place is 6 rupees and 45 paise. The 100 place is 9 rupees and 35 paise. The 100 place is 7 rupees and 5 paise. Come to the next. Addition of money. Find the total cost of the items and then tick the notes and coins needed to buy these items. So we have given 120. The video games cost is 120 and the ball cost is 45. So we have to add both these digits. 120 plus 45, 0 plus 5, 5. When we have to do plus or minus, addition or subtraction, so we have to start from ones place and when we have to add 0 in any number, the answer will be the same number. 2 plus 4, 6 and 1. So rupees 165. So you have to match here. Where is the 165? 150, 60, 70, 80, 90. No. 100 plus 50. No. So we have given 165, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 105. That is equals to 105 and it equals to 200. Firstly we have to do these sums. 65, the toy core is 65 and the chocolate's cost is 15. So we have to add both these digits. Firstly we have to write the money here, numbers here, and then we have to add. Firstly we have to start from the ones place. 5 plus 5, 10 and 1 is carry, and carry is added to these numbers. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, rupees 80. The carom board's cost is 250 and the teddy bear's cost is 115. So firstly we have to write here the numbers and add. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 2 plus 1, 3. So the cost of the both toys is 365. Come to the next. The kite's cost is 15 and the thermos cost is 185. When we have to add, so firstly we have to write the greater number, after that we have to write the smaller one. Okay, 6 plus 5, 11. 11, 1 here and 1 is the carry. And we have to carry with the number. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carry. Add the carry in the number. 1 plus 1, 2. So the cost of these both item is 201 and you have to match the cost with these coins and notes. Try this. How much change I get back from the shopkeeper? This item I bought, means जो हमने खरीदी है, okay, and this I gave, means I gave a note and I bought the things. I gave a note of 20, okay, and I bought the item with the money 14. So we have to subtract. We have given to shopkeeper 20 rupees note and we have to brought a slice of that cost is 14. So 14 out of 20. Here is 0, so we have to take borrow from here. So here 1 is remaining and 1 is added to the ones place. Okay, so 4 out of 10 is 6. So we have got 6 rupees from the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper returned us rupees 6. Come to the next. We have given the money 100 plus 100, 200, 220, 240. So we have given to the shopkeeper 240 rupees and we have bought from item of 230. Okay, so 230 out of 240. So 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 3 out of 4, 1. So shopkeeper return us rupees 10. Come to the next. We have given to shopkeeper 200 plus 200, 400 rupees and we get the item with the 245. Okay, so 245 out of 400. So we have to subtract here. Firstly we have to write here 400 and we have to write here 245. Start from the ones place. We have to given the 0, so we have to borrow from the 100 digit. So firstly we have to borrow to the 10th digit, then we have to borrow to the 100 digit. Okay, 5 out of 10 is 5, 4 out of 9 is 5, 2 out of 3 is 1. So shopkeeper returned us 155 rupees. Come to the next question. We have given to the shopkeeper 500 plus 1, 600 rupees, and we have brought the item with the 580 rupees. So minus 580, 0 minus 0, 0. 8, and here is 0, so we have to borrow from the 100 place 5, and we have to add here 10. 8 out of 10 is equals to me 2. 5 out of 5 is equals to me 0. So shopkeeper return us rupees 20. Tick the least number of coin or notes you would give for item at these prices. Rupees 3. So for with the rupees 3 we have to use a coin of 1 rupee note and a coin of 2 rupee note. 2 rupee coin, 2 plus 1, 3. To buy at 12 rupees. So 2 plus 10, 12. 10 plus 2, we have take a 10 rupee coin and a 2 rupee coin. That is equals to rupees 12. For 68 rupees. So here 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 5, 65. 65 plus 2, 67, and 168. So 68 rupees is equals to 150 rupees note, 1 10 rupee coin, 1 5 rupee coin, 1 2 rupee coin, and 1 rupee coin. Convert into paise. Convert 1 rupees is equals to 100 paise. 3 rupees is equals to 300 paise. 4 rupees is equals to 400 paise. And 10 rupees is equal to 1000 paise. Convert into paise. When we have to convert into paise, firstly we have given rupees and paise both. So firstly we have to convert the rupees into paise. So 2 rupees is equals to 200 paise. 200 paise plus 40 paise, 240 paise. Like here 7 rupees and 10 paise. 7 rupees is equals to yes, 700 paise. 700 paise plus 10 paise, 710 paise. Convert into rupees and paise. So 170 paise. So when we have to convert into rupees and paise, firstly we have to look the 100th place. Okay, ones, tens, 100. The 100th place is rupees and the remaining are paise. So 1 rupees and 70 paise. Ones, tens, 100. So 6. 6 is rupees and 75 are paise. We have given some items. The tea, 175 rupees, t-shirt 251 rupees, ice cream 45 rupees, cola 25 rupees, pastry 20 rupees, and a toy car 58 rupees. Look at the above things and find the total cost of the following. Okay, so look here, the cost of an ice cream is 45 and the cost of a toy car 58, and we have to add both these digits. 5 plus 8, 3, carry 1, 4 plus 5, 10. So total is 103 rupees. Ice cream is of 45 rupees and the t-shirt is of 251 rupees. You have to write, firstly you have to write the cost of that t-shirt, and after that you have to write of the ice cream. So 5 plus 1, 6, 4 plus 5, 9, and here 2. So the total is 296. The tea packet is cost 175 rupees and the cola's cost is 25. 5 plus 5, 0, carry 1, 7 plus 2, 9 plus carry 10, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So the total cost is 200 rupees. Tick the item which is costlier. Which is costlier? The toy car is costlier than the ice cream. Toy car cost is 58 and the ice cream cost is 45. So we have to write the costlier item first. After that we have to write the lesser cost. So we have to subtract 5 out of 8, 3, 4 out of 5, 1. So firstly you have to tick the costlier thing. The cola's cost is 25 and the pastry's cost is 20. So firstly you have to write the costlier cost and then to write the lesser cost, and then you have to subtract. 0 out of 5 is 5, 2 out of 2 is 0. Come to the next question. The costlier item is t-shirt. The cost of the t-shirt is 251 and the cost of ice cream is 45. So we have to given here 1 is lesser than 5. So we have to take borrow from the tens place. So we have to regroup these numbers. 5 becomes 4 and we have to add 1 to the ones place. So it is 11. 5 out of 11 is 6. 4 out of 4 is 0 and 2 is the same. The costlier item is tea packet which cost is 175 and the cola's cost is 25. Then we have to subtract 5 out of 5 is 0, 2 out of 7 is 5 and 1 is the same. Okay, come to the next. Let's have the fun. Find the word paisa. You have to find the word paisa, beta, and help the rabbit to go to the bank. That is a bank, and you remember, move only towards right, to the right, or that is a right or the down. So we have to start from here. We have comes to the right, then paisa is here, the down, then paisa is here, then right and the down. So rabbit is reached to the bank. That is for your fun. Let's do the mental math. In short, rupees 10 is written as rupees 10, Rs 10 or Re 10. Okay. Our 20 rupee note can be exchanged for dash 5 rupees note. So 20 divided by 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. I have 10 rupees in the form of 4 coins. 10 rupees in the 4 coins. So 5 rupees plus 2 rupees 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10. Manohar has 3 coins of different denominations and the maximum amount can he have is. So 3 coins. 3 coins we have to the 10, 5 plus 2. Okay, that is amount is 17. 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 2 17. The least number of coins, we have to use the least number of coins to pay rupees 8. 5 plus 2 plus 1 3 coins. We have to use 3 coins. 1 coin of 5 rupees, 1 coin of 2 rupees and 1 coin of 1 rupees. What least number of coins we use to pay 9? So we have to use least number 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 and plus 1 plus 2, 5 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, 5, 1 coin of 5 rupees and 2 coins of 2 rupees. That is equals to rupees 9. So how many numbers of coins we have to use? 3 coins. Rupees 2 is same as. So 2 rupees is equals to how many paisas? 200 paisas. How many 20 rupees note can be exchanged for 100 rupee note? So 20 rupees plus 20 40 plus 20 30 60 plus 20 80 and plus 20 100. So 5 notes of 20 rupees is equals to 100 rupees. 5 plus 10 is equals to me 5 rupees, plus 10 rupees 15 rupees, and plus 100 115. 725 paisa is same as, look here, 7 is rupees and 25 is paisa, that is equals to me 7 rupees and 25 paise. 50 rupees plus 50, 100 rupees plus 50, 150 rupees. Rupees 4 is same as, 4 rupees is equals to me how many paisa? 400 paisa. So we have to put a tick here. Dash 20 rupee note can be exchanged for 100. So 20 rupee note, 5 20 rupees note. 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 25 times. 5 times 2 is 10. So that is equals to me 100 rupees. So students, you have to revise this chapter with the help of this video and complete the exercise, and you have to paste the pictures of coins and notes in your scrapbook. Okay students, let's see in your next video. Okay, bye bye.